Meet Mohomo 600W brushless power, 50 kPe suction under 58 dB. Stop fighting clogs. One-click empty, 1.8-liter dustbin. Up to 70 minutes with 8 800mm BR. Tap to switch modes, see battery life. V-shaped anti-tangle brush conquers pet hair on any surface. Swap accessories to clean couches, countertops, crevices, and curtains. Fast. Power you feel, noise you don't. Under 58 dB. 99.99% HEPA plus cyclonic filtration traps, fine dust and allergens. Self-standing, wall mount charging, smart screen, and a 3-year warranty.